So we have many equal highs now here, which needed to be taken out at some point of time. And this is what's happening right now. Okay. Well, of course, right here too, I'm not gonna draw it at the moment. Let's refine it. All right. Perfect. All right. Oh, and even better, we have equal lows right here, which could be our target. Great. I mean, again, they're not perfectly equal. As you can see, it's not like this, it's a little bit this, but still not be perfect. These are equal lows, okay? Now let's go on lower time frames and see what's happening. One minute. So, okay, this could be the spring. We don't have confirmations that this is the spring yet. We had our nice accumulation right here. This was already looking like the spring. We never had confirmations. We never had the break to the downside of this level. But again, these are again equal lows. And we need to take out those equal lows. Then we have push to the upside right here, very strong push to the upside, and this could be the exception push to the upside before drop. Now we have two options: just sell from here, stop loss above supply, take profit below the equal lows all the way on the bottom. But anyway, second option, wait. And this is actually the riskier option right here, but possibly better risk reward ratio. Second option, wait for break of structure, at least of this, even if in my opinion will not be enough. We will need some bigger break of structure, possibly of this area of the equal lows, then a retracement of the test of the spring, and then entering the trade. All right, so we will monitor GPAD. We could have some very interesting trades during this session, since it is also, you know, the key hour that we want to trade. We might have some interesting trades right here on GPAD. Now, let me go to the 15-second chart. And yeah, nothing is changing. We're just holding this supply. But yeah, you see there is no imbalance left above, maybe a little bit right here. And thank you for sending the chart of, you know, GPAD. We were going to get to GPAD, but I was covering AUD, USD, and JPY first. But anyway, let's put the 50% of the supply, and let's notice that this area corresponds to a key psychological level, which is 1.8500. Now, this could be enough confirmation for me to enter. This is already a very good confirmation with many confluences. And again, as I told you, we have two options just entering right now, which in my opinion could be a good option, maybe with half risk, maybe with 0.5 risk, and maybe add another 0.5 risk if we get lower time frames confirmation. All right, so clearly this was not the spring, and we might be forming break off right here. Spring, and now we just need to see if we go higher. If we go higher and we break this this supply, I'm not looking to enter the trade, okay? So it's just a matter of time and seeing what's happening. And risky entry, but very good risk reward ratio will be entering right here. Stop loss, I would say like probably here, just to avoid some liquidity spikes. But I'm not doing that. I'm just saying very good risk reward ratio, very good possible entry. I'm just waiting for now. Very risky entry at the same time. So that's one thing to consider. Yeah, GBP/AUD just went bullish. Yeah, I will say that since this happened, I will just stay on the 1 hour for GBP/AUD, and all I will try to see is if this is a fake breakout. So basically, if we pull back inside and we close below this candle, this 1 hour candle, then this might be a breakout. So basically below this level right here. Let me actually put, right. Doesn't, honestly, I just look at the weekly. Oh, right here. It is. This doesn't mean that it will hold. Like, it can test the weekly high and it can go through it, if you know what I mean. It can just go up. But yeah, it is testing the weekly high of 2 weeks ago. And it's pulling back to the downside right now. So, as you know, it takes time when you want to enter a trade. You might not have your opportunity right away. So we just need to wait, because here we have this demand, could just be a mitigation of demand before going higher, okay? It becomes Wyckoff, it becomes a possible sell when we break below it and we have a breakout structure, okay? Until now, we're just holding this demand. We're just going up, touching, mitigating demand, up, mitigating demand, up, mitigating demand, all right? Just going up and up. Now, if we break this level, breakout structure, and we're looking to sell.